Hi, New Life Cleaners. My name is Michaela. I spoke with somebody in your office today who told me I could send this video to you. I am just contacting local carpet cleaners in your area and just showcasing how to get brand new leads from your website alone and go over your overall online presence with you as well. So to get started, I'm going to talk about 3 aspects today that Google looks for when ranking websites on their platform. And those 3 things are going to be content, backlinks, and citations. When I mention content, I mean anywhere on your site that text shows up. With that said, I'm going to give you a quick example. So anytime you do a basic Google search, Wikipedia is always the #1 search option that shows up. Why is that? It's because it has so much content, right? So knowing that every few weeks Google does a sweep of the internet and finds these websites with good quality content, it naturally starts moving them up the rankings. This is going to be the biggest organic movement that Google gives is by content alone. So knowing that, let's have a look at your site and see how we're doing on content. As you can see, you don't have hardly any content on your homepage. So knowing this, I'm going to suggest that we look at your competition to see how they're doing as well. This is Joey's Carpet Care, and they're currently on page 1 for a Google search. And I wanted to show you that they have some, but not a lot of content either. So knowing what we know of Google and how much they love content, I'm going to suggest you have anywhere between 1,000 and 1,500 words of content on your home page alone. This is going to do 2 things for us. One, it's going to give us the ability to be seen by Google for having good quality content, as well as allow us to put appropriate keywords that we want to rank for in that text. With that said, on every additional page you have, and we typically recommend that all your service pages have a separate page. And again, this is a twofold reason as well. For a carpet cleaning page, we want to add anywhere between 5 and 750 words, as well as put keywords specific to carpet cleaning and what people in your area search for regarding carpet cleaning. We then want to have our own Oriental rug cleaning page, again with 5 to 750 words of context, as well as appropriate keywords related to rug cleaning and things that people search for in your area regarding that service. So by doing that, we're adding tons of content to our site, right? Which again, the more content we have on our site, the higher up those rankings we're going to go with Google, as well as allowing us to get appropriate keywords and allowing us to be found on multiple different search options. I'm going to take you here to Ahrefs, and this just gives me a breakdown of how you're doing on the internet. And I see that you're currently getting about 72 people to your website every month, which is honestly not bad numbers. It could just be a lot higher. Typically what we're seeing from some of the top ranking people in your area is this number is significantly higher. So naturally that's the goal that we would want to reach with you as well. So I'm going to direct your attention here to this UR and DR. UR is directly related to citations, and I do see that you guys have quite a bit. But when we go to a basic search, the first thing we see is the Google map, right? The Google My Business. And I would assume that you guys have a GMB. And again, from the get-go, these top 3 competitors are going to get the most business just from being visible. That's what every business owner wants, right? Is to get our business and as much of our content in front of as many people as we can. That increases the likelihood of us getting new clients and new business. So how do we get a top spot on this platform? And that's going to be through citations. And a citation is anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number show up in some sort of online directory. So think Yelp or Yellow Pages. By doing that, we're going to rise to the top of this platform. And I do have the ability to see how many citations your competition has to know how many we would have to beat. Because as soon as we beat that number, you're in the top position, okay? So knowing that is valuable information, and I can definitely talk further with you if that's something you're interested in. In doing so, that's going to drive this UR number up. Now, why do these numbers matter? These numbers show stability and strength within the Google platform. And Google loves these numbers to be as close to a 1-to-1 ratio as possible. So knowing that tells us what we need to work on, right? And especially these DR or the backlinks. So as you can see, you have a ton of backlinks and not a lot of referring domains, which tells me that the backlinks you're getting are what we call like watered down. Your referring domains are giving you multiple backlinks, but in doing so, it's lessening the strength of the backlink, if that makes sense. So getting good, trusted, quality backlinks, think Angie's List and Home Advisors, ones that get a lot of volume to their website, is going to be able to throw a lot of influence back to your website, which is going to drive this DR number up. So in doing so, we're wanting, again, to maintain that 1-to-1 ratio. Again, these keywords here, we would love you to rank for more and get on page 1 of Google searches. As you can see here, you're only on page 1 for your business name, New Life Carpet, and anything related to New Life. But beyond that, you're on page 2 and beyond. So people just aren't seeing you. You're not getting your business in front of enough people. So knowing that, we would love to get more keywords put into your content and rank you for more keywords. Well, guys, I hope this was good information. If it's not too much trouble, send me a quick email. Let me know what you thought about this video. If I have any questions that I can answer for you, obviously I'm available for that. But for now, that's all I have, and I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.